Welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today when we are going to talk about how can we disable auto brightness mode in our Redmi phone. Friends, you want to disable your auto brightness, so you can disable it. And friends, now let's see how to disable auto brightness in our Redmi phone. In this video guys, I will show you. So before starting video, then first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like my video. So then first of all we will turn on our phone setting to disable auto brightness guys. Sorry fans, I paused the video because of sound guys. Children are playing outside guys. Ignore this sound guys. I am really sorry. So when after on phone setting guys, scroll it fans. You can see guys your phone display and brightness setting guys. Tap here guys. You can see your brightness and display setting. So how can you disable guys your auto brightness mode? Fans, you can see right side get this brightness level setting guys. Arrow option guys. Tap here fans. You can see your automatic brightness means auto brightness guys. You want to disable it. So when you can see this option guys, tap here this icon. Friends, your auto brightness will disable, and friends you can use your brightness setting as you want to increase into high power, low power, medium, default. You can use from here guys. So like that guys, you can use your brightness setting, and friends you can disable your auto brightness in your Redmi phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. Bye bye guys.